So starting out with primer today, I went to Ulta today and found the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. I'm not sure why I didn't buy it originally, but I bought it today and here we go. It comes in a container like this and opens up, which is nice, and it has a little pump. So we're just gonna pump this out. I'm just gonna put it all over the face. Oh yeah, it's like really jelly-like. It smells like the watermelon Jelly Pop gloss, the lip gloss that I love so much. Okay, so yep, it's super sticky. It feels like your foundation is gonna stick to it very much, like it's so sticky, but it's going into my skin very, very quickly. Alright, so we're gonna go with the Catrice Cosmetics HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. I have the color Light Beige. I love this foundation so much, so we're just gonna drop it out and put it on our face. And I'm using the Essence Cosmetics sponge. I actually bought another one today because I love this so much. Alright, so now I'm taking the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer, and this is waterproof, non-transfer. I have the color Fair Ivory, so we're just going to be putting this on the usual places, which is under the eyes, chin, forehead, and then whatever's left over, I might pat it over my nose. Alright, so now I'm going with this brush right here. This is the Morphe M438 brush, and I'm taking this e.l.f. translucent powder in the style Sheer right here, and I love this. I'm putting it where I just put that concealer at. Alright, so now I'm just taking my sponge and I'm going in and pushing that in. I always do that after powder because it helps push it into the skin. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this bronzer. This is kind of like a glowy bronzer. This is from Beauty Treats. It's the Insta Glow bronzer right here. And it doesn't have a name on here, like a shade name, but yeah, no shade name on the back. So we're just going to go in with it and bronze up the face. And I'm using the Morphe M527 brush right here, one of my favorites. Alright, now I'm going to be taking the Dalton by Makeup Molly Prepping Perfector brush right here. And I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter right here. Super beautiful. I'm just going to go ahead and take it and put it on my cheeks. And actually I'm going to put it on other parts of my face as well, but that's so beautiful. Alright, now I'm going to go over top of the highlighter with blush. This is the e.l.f. 103 brush right here, super great. And I'm going to take the Essence Satin Touch blush in Satin Coral right here, love this. We're just going to put it on the cheeks. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Laura Geller Spackle Mist Prime Set and Refresh Spray. Alright, so I just went ahead and did my brows off camera. I used the Forever Magic Cosmetics Brow Pomade Double Shade. It's in Hocus Pocus Blonde right here. And then I used the e.l.f. Cosmetics Wow Brow in Neutral Brown. And I'm going to be honest, I feel like that primer did a lot because I wear this foundation all the time and it always looks really good. But my skin is looking 10 times better with this primer on. So I feel like it really did something. So I'll let you guys know, like update it in the description how much I really felt about it. But I think it's doing really good. Right, so we're going into eyeshadow. This is the Morphe by Jeffreestar palette right here. So here's the outside and here's the inside. I already did my review on it, but we're going to be using it again because so far I think it looks like really, really good. I think these shades blend out so nicely. So anyways, we're going to go into the color. We're going to go into the color Calabasas right here, which is this maroon type shade. And we're going to be using the Morphe E18 brush. So I'm taking this and I'm just rounding it out into my crease and not really worrying about blending. I am going pretty high up with this, but not too drastically like worrying about the blend. but just building it up. I want it to be nice and built up. And I'm going to start taking it on the outer part right here. Now I'm going to go into this brush right here. This is the Dalton by Makeup Molly Shadow Shader Brush. As you guys can tell, I've been using these brushes like crazy. They're so soft. It has a little bit of yellow stained on it, but I did wipe it off, so nothing's coming off. I'm going to go into the color. We're going to take the color Honest Truth, which is right here. And I'm using that, and I'm just using that color and to blend out the top crease part of this beautiful shade we just laid down. I'm making sure to make sure it's nice and blended on the outer part as well. Okay, so I'm still blending, but if you hear that, that is rain. I'm literally right next to a window, and it started storming here. It doesn't really rain too much here, and I was going somewhere outside, little event, so I hope it stops raining. We have a Labor Day liftoff, which is hot air balloons, and they just, you know, fly and they blow up and they shine off their little fire light things, and it's so cool, but it's freaking raining outside. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into that first Calabasas color and just add a little bit more into the crease. Alright, so I just wiped off that brush, and now we're going to go into the color Hi Dude. That's such a cute name. So Hi Dude right there. And we're going to go ahead and take it a little bit lower into the crease and build it up just to kind of deepen up the crease a little bit. Alright, so I just wiped off that same brush. I'm going to go back into that first Calabasas color we were using, and I'm going to go ahead and smudge it under the eyes. Alright, so now I'm going to take this flat brush right here and go into the brown color. We're going to add it very close to the waterline, but not too low down. Now just wiping off that brush again and going into Honest Truth again. We're going to take that and smudge it under the eyes just to get a nice blend. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take this e.l.f. Retractable No Budge liner in the color Black right here. And I'm just going to put this in my waterline off camera. Alright, so now I'm going to take this flat brush. This is the Luxie 246 Precision Crease brush right here. I wiped it off, nothing on it. So we're going to be going into the color Dog Mom, which is this color right here. I'm taking this color and I'm going to go ahead and spray my brush, and we're going to lay it on the lid, and then we're going to put some glitter on top of it. I should have cut my crease, but that's a lot of work. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of trace it out with this color, just kind of as a base. This color is actually really pretty. When I first was putting it on, it didn't look good, but now that I have it like pretty much used, it looks really, really pretty. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with the NYX Glitter Primer and put this on the back of my hand. Alright, so now we're going to be using the Midas Cosmetics glitter right here. I think I'm saying it right. Midas or Midas Cosmetics. And this is Pot of Gold glitter right here. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to go in and we're going to go ahead and take this, lay it down on the lid, and then place the glitter on top of it. Alright, so we have that on there. It's so beautiful. That's such a beautiful glitter. I have a bunch more for them that I can't wait to use. So now we're going to be taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner right here, and we're going to draw some wings on our eyes off camera. Alright, so I'm back with the eyeliner on. I'm going to go ahead and take that brown shade again and just kind of smudge it right here into the glitter just so it kind of fades in. Forgot to do that before eyeliner. Alright, so now I'm going in with the Tarte Big Ego Mascara right here on the top and bottom lashes. Alright, so now I'm going back into the Amrezy Anastasia highlighter and putting that onto my inner corner. So now I'm going to go in with the Joah Cosmetics, I think it's Joah Beauty, lipstick in the color Fetch, which is right here, and put this on our lips. Okay, these are some of the best feeling lipsticks I have ever put on. They are so soft and they do not like crack up. They feel so good. Alright, so that is everything. That is the completed tutorial. I really love how this turned out. It looks super beautiful. I think the colors on the eyes, the lipstick, and the glitter look so good. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.